Good news, our Black Friday limited edition product is now here. Yes, that's right, after last year's massive success of the 69 fuzz pedal, I've decided to do something even cooler this year, which is a 1 watt head based on the classic 800 series of British amplifiers from the 1980s. These amps are going to be fully hand wired and UK made by me, just like every other Rift amplifier. And these are limited edition, right? Now, most of you will know that all of my Black Friday limited stuff is not limited by quantity, it's limited by time. The sale opens tomorrow morning, that's Black Friday, the 29th of November at 9 AM UK time, and that sale window will remain open all the way through to Monday, the 2nd of December, Cyber Monday, 9 PM UK time. At that point, the listing will disappear. However many units I've sold within that time period is how many will be built. Absolutely no more. These will be built and delivered on a first come, first served basis. So if you want to get yourself serial number 1, you need to be placing your order at 9 AM tomorrow morning. Now, this only works if I get a minimum of 3 orders. Okay, I'm hoping to get a lot more than that, but if I only get 2 or 1, then whoever placed those orders will receive a full refund. I need to do at least 3 to make the numbers work. Right, the specification. Classic 800 circuit. It's going to have 2 vertical inputs, just like the original. It's going to have a preamp, a master volume, a full treble middle bass and presence tone stack. We have an off, standby, on switch, and both 8 and 16 ohm outputs on the rear of the head. I should say at this point there are no combo versions available. This is head only. Even though it's 1 watt, it is still powerful enough if you're mad enough to drive a 4x12 cabinet. Don't know why you would, but if you want to, you can. This is going to be a great home studio practice amplifier. And as I said, fully hand wired and made here in the UK. That comes down to the chassis, the cabinet, the control panel, the transformers, all the wiring, everything UK made. These can be sold to anyone around the world, and I will wire them for whatever mains voltage is appropriate for your country. So we could do 240 volts for UK and Ireland, New Zealand and Australia. We can do 230 volts for all of the EU and any other countries that use that. 120 volts for North America. We can even do 100 volts for Japan. So if you're one of my Japanese viewers and you are really interested in ordering this, we can do that. The cabinet itself is going to be approximately 19 inches wide by 8 inches tall by 8 inches deep. That might change, so they are approximate dimensions at the moment. It's going to look like this. This is a mock-up. This is not the final thing, but this is a mock-up so you get a rough idea of what it's going to look like. Only available in black Tolex with all the gold accents. 4 valves. The output stage is push-pull. So it's not single-ended. It is a proper push-pull output stage. It'll be 1 watt RMS. That's 1 watt clean power. Probably do 2.5, 3 watts at full crank. Okay, so the price is the same for everybody, and that is £1,250. If you're in the UK, we do have to add VAT on top of that, which makes it a nice round £1,500. If you're not in the UK, you don't pay UK sales tax, but you might pay import duties and taxes as imposed by your own countries. There are shipping charges as well, which are calculated when you place your order on the website, so please check those and make sure they are correct. Sometimes the website gets a little bit confused about where your location is, so make sure that those things are correct. If your country is not listed for some reason, send an email to sales@riffdamps.com and I'll be able to do all of that manually for you. So if you want one of these limited edition heads, place your order tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. and I'll catch you all at the next one.